Welcome back, students. So till now we have come to know that people from all communities, all societies, they joined this campaign, and even the local authorities, they also joined his campaign, and they were able to remove 1,800,000 kgs of trash. When Louis Puck, United Nations patron of the ocean, see, he also noticed it, flew down from Kenya to join the drive. He came to India to join the drive. See, Louis Puck, United Nations patron, he came to India to join the drive specifically from Kenya. VRB's efforts won international recognition. At that time, this society, it got international recognition. Together, they collected 6.14 lakh kg. How much? 6.14 lakh kg of trash over 2 days. Within 2 days. That took a total amount of garbage collected till then to 20 lakh kgs. They were able to collect 20 lakh kgs till then. Could you imagine 20 lakh kgs trash? I could not even imagine. Mumbaikars look forward to the Ganesh Chaturthi festival every year. It is a community festival and is marked by food, festivities, prayers, dance, music and activities that are separate over 7 to 10 days that are spread. All of you know about Ganesh Chaturthi now. It is nothing new. Earlier it used to be celebrated in Maharashtra, but now the whole country is celebrating it. It ends with the immersion of idols in the water. In September 2016, after the 11-day festival, as much as 18,000 kg of idol parts and trash were collected by BRB and its helpers. Could you imagine, class? That's why this is the reason the government has banned now, isn't it? The immersion of idols. Now they have separate pools for that, because what it was doing, they were having chemical colors also, and they were not made of mud, they were made of plaster of Paris and other things. So that had also become a threat to the animals who are sea animals, those who were in the ocean. It became the cause of their death. So now that's why government has taken strict actions nowadays. But earlier, at that time in 2016-17, what happened? See, they were able to collect how much? 88,000 kg of idol parts. See, so we must be aware, we must not do all that. Encouraged by the support he had received, Afroz rallied the residents and fisher folk. What he did? Then see, what is more important thing is to create awareness. So now Afroz started creating awareness also, and for creating awareness, what he started doing? He started doing rallies. So encouraged by the support he had received, Afroz rallied the residents and fisher folk in that area to join the drive. Fisher folk, because they are not very you can say educated people, so to make them aware, he started rallying there. So he went up to their doors and knocked. So he started door-to-door campaign to aware them. He patiently explained to them the damage caused by marine litter. He managed to convince them to join their efforts to free that area of the garbage that was threatening to engulf them all. So now this is the time when he realized that all the common people, they must join this campaign. Then only he would be able to succeed in this.